Good afternoon, everybody. This is our 3 o'clock update. We will start promptly at 3, but this is our mic check. If you can see us, if you can hear us, go ahead and give us a thumbs up so we'll know everything is working properly.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day today. Start off with announcements today. It's just reminding everyone, as we have been in the last week or so, about the voting that's going on out here. We'll be going through Friday till 2 o'clock, and they'll, this real simple. There's no lines. Come in. Usually takes just a few minutes to go through and vote. So they'll be open Monday. Right, Kerry? This standard, will they be open back Monday? That'd be the last day, right? I'm sorry. I mean, early voting, that's right. Early voting, you'll be able to early vote.
Friday is the last
Friday, that's right.
And Tuesday is the actual.
And Tuesday at 7, you can bring your ballots in up until 7 o'clock. That's what I understand, what she said. Okay.
So Friday, 8 to 2.
Yeah, but if you do vote, and you want to come out here and vote, and you've already got your ballot, you need to bring that early ballot with you and turn it in to vote. From what I understand, that's the only way you'll be able to vote on that.
That's right.
So it's still going on, and just come on in and you take your time. No lines whatsoever. The breast pickup, I mentioned that the last time today. We're trying to wind that up this week. We still had some people that was a little bit late getting stuff out there, out on the mountain there. Then they finished that up. So by Thursday evening, Friday, we should have that wound up. So try to get everything out you can there. Mentioned Cloud Canyon. Cloud Canyon's been going pretty smooth the last couple of weekends. We're glad of that. We appreciate the DNR working with the Park Department and all with us on that. The bridge over Daniels Road is closed, and it'll be closed till July the 15th, and I just got to keep that in mind. Have really good news from our nursing home. I got notified just about a couple hours ago, and they could not come down and talk today to us. But everyone, all patients and staff, they got all the tests back, and everyone out there is negative. So there is no COVID-19 in our nursing home, thank goodness. Evidently, those 5 tests they had that came back positive, there was either a contaminated kits, the test kits, swab kits, or something, because they went back through and did a thorough, testing. I did thorough testing on everyone, and they come back negative. So that's really good news. Our parks down there, I mentioned this yesterday. Everything's open but our ball fields. We've opened a little basketball court and tennis court, and the little kids' playground down there. So, but still use common sense and use your, try to wear your mask, or just you get out and get fresh air. But just try to use good judgment. And I also mentioned this too the last couple of days. And when our ball teams start back, which is they're already, I'm sure, started practicing all that. Try to listen to and follow directions from your coaches and the people there, because it's going to be a lot different. Not a little different, be a lot different than any of your parents have ever been to, as far as your ball games go and your players. So just want everybody to get out there and enjoy themselves, but still be careful, because it's still here. Trust me, our numbers keep going up, not drastically, but trust me, this is not, by far not over. Our testing downstairs, you really don't have any reason for being tested. If you want to be tested, there's all the opportunity in the world right here in Dade County. I mention this every day, but our downstairs, there's 2 cars down there right now. I can look out and see them, and there's been just kind of a steady flow from 1 o'clock. There's no really lines or anything. It don't cost you anything at all. Just come through, and if you're worried about it or want to be tested, it just takes just a few minutes to be swabbed there and tested, and you get your results back in about 3 to 5 days. Their hours real quick, and it's also posted. Carrie has it posted on our website. Monday through Thursday start at 1 and they go to 4. Fridays from 9 to 1. Saturday morning they go from 9 to 12. So it gives you plenty of time there. If you work, even if you work second shift or third, you can still come in and get it. You don't even have to call. You just come in. They'll take care of the form there while you're waiting. Lawson Medical, though, on the square, they do the blood draw. If you'd rather have that done, there is a charge for that, $25 plus a lab fee. Their hours of operation is Monday through Thursday. They open at 5 in the evening, and they go till 9 at night. Saturday and Sunday they open at 8 in the morning and go to 6. So that's plenty of time. That you can kind of pick and choose there between the health department and that. The Walker County, they are also offering that testing over there. The Walker County Health Department, they're set up over the Civic Center. I don't know about the hours on that. I'm sure it's 5 days at least. And they do the swab also, and there's no charge for that. So I don't think I've left anything out. Didn't have a lot of announcements. We'll go into our numbers, though. Dade County, we went up one more. We're 36 to 37. We have 11 antibody tests in that number that we know can come out. And we feel that probably at least half those people, if not more, already actually been quarantined or actually are over it and back out. So that's really, that number is not really as high as you would think. Walker County, now they went down from 168 to 162, and the only reason that can be, or the reason we feel, is it was just mistakenly, the actual physical address of that person possibly was not Walker County, it could have been another county, but they did go down. That's the most drastic downward fall I've seen in a county, but. And they also have 44 antibody tests there that can be taken away from that. Catoosa County, they went from 140 to 142. Chattooga County, they went from 24 to 25. Chattooga County also has 23 antibody tests there. We have Whitfield County, they stayed the same at 391. Gordon County went from 164 to 166. Ford County, 268 to 274. Bartow, they went from 481 to 485, and there's still 1,561 unknown counties, addresses that's not been matched to counties. We've had a total in Georgia 2,102 deaths. That's up from 2,089 as of yesterday. Moving to Tennessee, Hamilton County, they went from 872 to 910. Pretty good increase there. They have 311 though that's recovered, and with 16 deceased. Marion County, they stayed the same at 42. They have 31 recoveries and 1 deceased. Grundy County, 31. Was 31 yesterday, and they still at 31 with 27 recoveries and 1 deceased. Sequatchie County went from 18 to 19, and they have 13 recoveries. Midge County, they went from 26 to 27, and they have 21 recoveries. Bradley County went from 146 to 157. They have 103 recovered with 1 deceased. Totally in Tennessee, they've had 381 deaths. That's compared to 2,102 in Georgia. Now that's from the time from beginning. That's a pretty good difference there between the two states. Alabama, Jackson County went from 78 to 83. DeKalb County went from 254 to 257. So the numbers, they're still changing. They're not really not going down. I mean, they don't, except for Walker County, and that was just, I'm sure, just mistakenly, as we said on the addresses on that. But if you have any questions, just give us a call here. You can get a hold of Carrie there online. She updates regularly, and we'll be back tomorrow at 3 o'clock. My number is 423-667-8999. If you have any questions at all, just give us a call, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you a lot.